Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to D Don Kitchen. Guys, D Don is in the kitchen today to show you a quick and easy recipe. Fried Johnny cake, fried dumpling. Hopefully you enjoy it. But before I begin, I must say a very big warm welcome to you all. And if you are new here, a big warm welcome to you too. Guys, hopefully you enjoy this video. Let's get started. 1 cup of almond milk, 2 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and your oil for frying. I'm using the olive oil. You use whatever oil you have. And for the milk, I'm using the almond milk. You can use the whole milk. You can use water. Whatever milk, or you can use water. So the first thing you want to do, you're going to get your bowl, and we will be sieving the flour along with the baking powder. I'm going to leave the salt. Let me put my hand to support the salt from coming out. I'm using the Himalayan salt. That's the reason why it have this pink stuff in it. You can use a sea salt, use whatever salt you have. So you want to ensure you sieve the flour so your Johnny cake or fried dumpling will be very light. You go through it. And any object in the flour you will see and can remove it. Pouring the salt in. And ensure you wash your hands and your hands are clean. With clean hands, you combine everything together. And the flour I'm using is an all-purpose flour. And you're going to make a well in the center. And you're going to pour your milk. You're not going to use all the milk one time, just a little at a time. And with your fingertip, you're just going to play around with it. You play around with it until it becomes like this. You see the bowl is clean. If, for instance, you're kneading the flour and you pour too much milk in it, all you can do is just a little flour. Let me show you. You just get a little flour and you put it over on it like that, and you just kneel it around. So how you know that means the flour is spoiled? So if you pour enough too much milk or too much water and the flour spoil, just sprinkle a little flour until it becomes like this. Yeah, ma. So I didn't use the whole cup of milk. I have back some milk left. So that's why you're not going to add all the milk or all the water one time. If you do, the flour will spoil. So now that we finished knead the flour, you're gonna break it in pieces. Not too big, because remember the baking powder is in the flour and it's gonna cause it to rise. So now you're gonna take the flour and you're just gonna roll it. Just like that. You just roll like this. And you flatten it a little. Just like that. Let me show you the next one. Flatten, and I'll continue the process until all is done. So now you're just gonna put the oil in. I'm using the olive oil. You can use corn oil, whatever oil you have. You don't need a lot of oil for your fried dumpling to be swimming all around. So I'm just gonna roll it over. And you place it in the oil. You're gonna turn the fire down at medium heat. Because if the fire is too high, you know, all our stuff will burn up. So guys, you're watching this video today and you haven't yet subscribed, please be sure to subscribe, like this video, share this video with your friend, a friend of a friend, and a friend of a friend. Leave a comment and hit that notification bell. So when D-Don is doing a video, you will be the first one to know. So we just place the Johnny cake in, and this for breakfast. You don't have to be buying bread all the time. Make some fried Johnny cake. So we have our Johnny cake in the pot here. And you're just gonna keep the fire low, because if you have the fire too high, you know everything will burn up. I have a little piece leave, I'll just place it right there. So you see, the fire is not too high, because this thing easily burn. And within 10 minutes, we are done. You're just gonna give it 5 minutes on one side, 5 minutes on the next side. It is 5 minutes now, and we're gonna turn them over on the next side. And apart from burning, while you turn the fire down, you want it to soak. You don't want the outside to brown and the inside is raw. So you got to turn the fire down so the oil, the steam and everything can soak the fried Johnny cake or fried dumpling. So we give it 5 minutes, as I told you, and then you're just gonna turn them on the side. Like when the side have a golden brown like this, then we turn them on the side so the side can soak. So now we turn over. You're just gonna flip from side to side. So all this side. You just turn it on the side so the side can be golden brown too. So because I'm doing the side, I'm flipping them on the side so the side can be golden brown too. So basically it's gonna be 15 minutes. frying up. You see all that oil in the pot, and it's sending the steam in the fried Johnny cake, fried dumpling. You know what you can do, guys? You put a napkin so it can absorb the oil. So our Johnny cake fried dumpling is now ready. So now my beautiful people, our fried Johnny cake, fried dumpling, or biscuit is ready. And I'm gonna break one and let you see on the inside how it's looking. And you can have this with again saltfish, stewed chicken, fried chicken, liver, mutton, oxtail, anything you want to have it with, some greens, callaloo, whatever. So I'm just gonna break one so you can see how it's looking on the inside. So this is our biscuit right through, and it's soaking hot. Let me take this one. Wow, it's really hot. Shh. It is hot. It is hot, guys. It is hot. You see how it's looking? It's like bread. Wow. My hand burned. It is hot. It is hot. You see the inside, it's not raw. Looking at it, it's like bread. Very soft and nice. So guys, give it a try. You will enjoy it. The kids will also enjoy it. So please give it a try. I love you all. Enjoy your fried Johnny cake, fried dumpling, or biscuit. I love you all. See you in my next video. Bye for now.